laced wig. First, I'll be taking some shimmer lights and put it in a bowl of hot water. Shimmering lights to it. Don't add too much because you don't want it to put a purple pigment in the wig. You just want it to make it a little light to the wig. I'm just going to add a little bit to it and I'll be back when I add enough. The shimmering lights right here, I'm going to dip my wig up into it. Put the wig in the shimmer lights and I'm going to let this sit in here for about 3 minutes or so. So right now I'm blow drying the wig. I'll be back when it's done blow drying. You know, the wig is all dry. It's a little puffy, but we gonna fix that at the end. But time for the next step. So right now I'm sectioning off the wig into little pieces, just so I can have, like, it'd be easier to work. Okay, so these are the colors that I will be using. Baby blue, indigo blue, and aquamarine. So now the first color I'll be using is this indigo blue, and it's kind of like, it's purple. Like, it's like a purple color. And just apply it to the wig. And so, yeah. I'm trying my best not to get like that. Oh yeah, so on this channel, I'm gonna just be doing different things. I'm going to go put some gloves on before I get my hands messy. Alright. So just applying this. I'll be back when I'm done applying it to this and doing the next step. Alright, so I'm gonna put a piece of tinfoil on it just so it won't mix up anything or get mixed in with the other colors that I want to color. I need to put this on right. So this one is already ready. Yeah, I'm lifting it up. On there. Just make sure you be steady because you don't want it to, like, if you be messy, your wig is gonna look exactly how you did it. Messy. And you don't want it to look messy. So I'll be back when I'm done with my the makeup everywhere. But this is
I've got my own, so glad that I can see my life's a natural high.
For this part. Okay, you guys, I just finished doing all of the colors right here. At the top, this is the most important part. So I'm going to show you guys this because you have to do this so precisely so you won't mess the wig up. Alright, so you need to apply this color on real soft so it won't get on the lace scalp part because you don't want blue lace. You definitely don't want blue lace. So just try to get it off the lace. Like, if you don't want to, like Chris said, just don't even go that close to the wall. You can just, like, do it, like, real precisely. And it got cut real curly from the bungee ones that I did in, just to tie the hair up. I'm going to apply this color lightly. Just apply it on this. I'm gonna get my brush. back when I'm done doing this. It's been sitting for 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna go wash the color out. So right now I'm just rinsing all the color off. I put a little bit of shampoo up on the wig. And I'll be back when it's all rinsed. I just put it back on the stand, and this is the color. Just got it out of the sink. Well, from rinsing it, and now I'm about to dry. So this is the wig all dry. I'm gonna flat iron it. I'm gonna show you guys me flat iron it. Okay, so this is the wig. I'm just flat ironing it a little bit so it won't be like so fluffy. And I'm combing it while I'm flat ironing it, just so it can be like perfectly done. And yeah, I'll be back when I'm done styling it and when I have it ready for the results. Okay, so this is the wig. I'm done flat ironing it. Now I'm going to show you guys another style that you could do on them. This is the style that I did. I really like it. Put a ponytail and left some down. You guys should try it. It will be really pretty. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Put the post notifications on so you can be notified every time we make a video. Goodbye.